Hi, it's Terry Edwards here, Renegade Recruiter. We're the guys that recruitment and search business owners come to when they want to scale the business, when they want to take the business to the next level. And right now we're going through a really challenging time. Of that, nobody's disputing. It's a really challenging time with this pandemic. And a friend of mine, Simon, shared something with me recently, and I thought it'd be really good to share this with you. And he said this: you need to be very careful of every single word you use right now, of every single thought that you have right now, both internally and also the thoughts that you're sharing with your team as well. How you speak, what you say, is really important that you be aware of what you said. I've heard so many recruiters over the last few weeks say things like, no one's interviewing at the moment. You've probably heard that, no one's interviewing. Or all recruitment's been put on hold. No hiring managers will speak to me right now. I've even heard of one search firm that put everything on the hold, and I mean everything. They've literally closed their business down. To quote his words, they've closed their business until things return to normal. All because of this virus. Now, I want to be absolutely clear about it. The challenges we're facing with this virus and this pandemic is like nothing before. But the fact is, it's not the virus, it's the economy that's causing all these problems right now. Some recruitment and search firm owners I'm working with right now are actually making placements. Some recruitment and search business owners right now are talking to hiring managers. Some recruitment and search firm owners are winning retained assignments. One of our clients actually made his first ever placement with a hiring manager, and the hiring manager never ever candidate in person. All the recruitment was done virtually through teleconferencing. Another boutique search firm I know are now they're based in Germany, but they're now actively marketing in the UK, because a hiring manager's come to accept that to find the best candidates, they can now look worldwide because people are more accepting of candidates working from home. Now think about that and think of the impact that's going to have in your business. Think about the opportunities that's going to have for you. But you have to be really careful about the thoughts you're having, about what you're saying to your family, about what you're saying to your team, about what you're saying to hiring managers. Because whatever you believe is true, and you'll act accordingly. And the moment that you do that, you're going to have some problems. Now, let's be clear. That company that said they're waiting for recruitment or things to return to normal, here's a fact. Things will never be normal as we knew it previously. Things have changed now, and there's no going back to what they were. So a recruiter waiting for things to be normal is probably going to have a long time to expect things to go back to what they were. When you believe that you cannot get business, you will find evidence to support that, and you'll become stuck. But when you believe there's a possibility of getting more business and hiring managers out there looking right now for what you offer, what it means is that you're going to behave differently. Now look, we help recruitment and search business owners do this on a regular basis. If you're an owner or director of a recruitment and search business, and what you acknowledge at some level, actually, it's not about what's going on out there, it's about what's going on in my head, and you want some help with that, go to makemoreplacements.com/apply. That's makemoreplacements.com/apply. Because if you can just change your thinking, it's going to massively change your outcome. So please, just be, and if you don't jump on that call with me and one of my teams, you don't go to that site, just be aware of your thinking. Whatever you believe is true. So if you want some help with this, go to makemoreplacements.com/apply. And I look forward to speaking to you real soon. Until next time, take care, take action, and be relentless. Cheers, folks. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you.